Hello fellow YouTubers, hopefully you can help me. I have a 2003 Toyota 4Runner V8 full-time four-wheel drive, 350,000 miles. Upon moderate to heavy acceleration on a flat surface or any acceleration on going uphill, I hear a popping noise coming from the front of the drive line. In addition, it does this in all forward gears and in reverse as well. Here is the sound. Once I go over 10 miles per hour, the noise stops and the car runs fine. When the car is making the noise, there is no jerking in acceleration or loss of momentum. I can cruise at highway speeds, no issue. If you have any ideas on what it could be or how to troubleshoot it, please leave it in the comments. I really appreciate everything. Thanks.